em mua lăng here. Xin chào.
Today we're at Great Falls. It's about 7 o'clock right now. This is our first time here, so we're going to see how it goes. We don't know how the bite will be. We're getting ready. Here with Vietnamese outdoor guy. Remember him?
Support my channel, please.
Then we got a new guy. That's my cousin.
He's from California.
Say hello.
Hi. Hello, and I say hi.
He's still on East Coast time.
I know.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so
We're here. We're fish.
somebody's here there.
Huh? Oh yeah, someone's over here. Look, there's a chair right here. All right, let's get set up and see how we do. All right, today probably gonna use this catfish rig. So a little weight in the middle. I'm gonna change this weight out. Then I'm gonna put a hook on one side and then hook one side. All right, today probably gonna use first cast. Here we go. All right, going somewhere right over here. And now we wait. All right, so we've been fishing for like an hour. No bites at all. I got one line snagged on a rock, so I had to switch to this rig because I don't have any more of my catfish rig. So now I'm just trying to find a different spot because there's no bites over there. So I want to just try another spot. So line snagged on a rock, so I had to switch to this rig because I don't have any more of my catfish rig. So now I'm just trying to find a different. Let's see what they got over here. I just don't want to get snagged by a rock, so you don't know where to throw or anything like that. Okay, no bites. Now we're moving to another spot again.
Yeah.
A little bit of a walk though.
We're gonna climb on that.
Yeah, right. Gonna climb on here? Climb on here? Oh my god.
I think we have all the way right there.
All the way.
No way here. What happened? Right here. Careful. No em mua lăng here.
How can you go here, man? What the hell? Sao you go ở đây được?
We're gonna go like a hard way fishing. Xuống dưới được hả?
Yeah man. Xuống dưới.
Bên kia không có được hả? Không.
Oh shit. What the hell?
Yeah.
You saw that?
Yeah.
The fish that jumped out.
Oh, right here too. Look.
Chắc phải xuống ở đâu á.
Right here.
That way.
Được.
Be careful, buddy.
Go. Nó vô tay. Vô tay, vô đần. So try using don't die.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think they have an easier way on that place.
Okay. Thank you, buddy.
Climbing fishing. Yeah, climbing fishing. We do have fun together. You alright?
Yeah.
Cool.
Very good.
So fish over here.
Yeah, right. He just got snagged. His line snagged.
Oh my god, really?
The line snagged. Oh gosh. A lot of snacks today.
Oh my god. Big fish, man.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. He got snagged. Alright, time to go home. We only stayed for like 2 hours.
I think more than 2 hours.
It's about 3, but keep getting lines snagged and we don't have any more lures and rigs, so just gonna pack it up and call it a day. Failed fishing trip at Great Falls. We'll try next time at another location. This location?
Bad. Okay.
Let's go. Time to go home. Back up this sketchy trail.
Yeah. Great falls. So great. There's no fish.
No fish. Oh. Yep. Yeah, right. No fish today. It's okay. We'll try another spot. Hopefully we catch some fish.